best VPN extension for Chrome. So if you want the best VPN extension for Chrome, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you just need to simply open up your browser. After opening your browser, you can go with search. Under search, you can search for Chrome Web Store. After searching, you need to go with Chrome Web Store .google.com, which will take you to this kind of page. Now you just need to simply go with search. Under search extensions, you need to search for VPN. After searching here, you will have free VPN for Chrome. So you need to go with the first option, and here on the right side you will have add to Chrome option. So click on add to Chrome, and after that go with add extension. Now once you've added, you can choose a free plan if you want to, or you can also go with the premium plan and you'll be able to get a premium plan. But if you want to go with a free plan, you can go with the free one. You can go with continue limited, go with next, go with done. This extension is running. Now you can go with the extension which is on the top right, and then as you can see that this extension is running, the VPN is turned on. You can also pin the extension, you can manage extension. That's it. So that's how you can use your extension. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.